Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now, on this video, I'm going to show you how to answer example 6, go green, by referring to study guide page 71. Now, for this question, in the study guide, they have already given to you the answer, but I just show you on the understanding of the question for you to understand and for you to uh, be able to know how the approach to this kind of questions. Now we are going to do this question on debenture, issuance of loan capital. Now, if you look at the question, go green, talking about go green, talking about the nominal value of 10 million, and the issuance is at discount of 10%, and also uh, it will be redeemed after 3 years, so this will be later topic. Effective rate of interest is 12%, is with regards to the interest that is being charged, 12%, and the transaction costs were the 300k, so the transaction cost and discount would be minus from the nominal value, and you will get 8.7 million in terms of RM. So mind you that debenture, there would be no number of debentures, it will be totally on RM. So basically the company issues debenture to debenture holder, and in return debenture holder will give money to the company, and subsequently the debenture holder will charge interest. Alright, they will charge interest at effective rate. So you take the amount which is being issued to the debenture holder times with 12%, and you will get 1044,000. And if you can recall, the debenture has a percentage in front of the name. It means that this is the rate that the company is going to pay, 6%. Now the differences between the effective interest rate and the rate of return is actually it is already being discussed in the earlier pages in study guide. So for interest paid, you get 10 million out of the nominal value times with 6%. Now, what is required in the question is the double entry, the journal entry, and for you to be able to know the end balance of the debenture, it is easier for you to draw up the accounts. Now, the accounts, rather than you just prepare for one 6% debenture account, you can simultaneously prepare other accounts which is bank account, finance cost account, and so on, to make you understand the movement of the transaction. So the one that you get the nominal value and minus all this discount and transaction cost, 8.7 million. This is the first entry, which is we are to debit the bank here, and we are to credit the debenture. Okay, this is the first entry. Now the second entry is on this 1044. This is interest charge, so it will be reflected in the finance cost and also your debenture, 6%, credit 6% debenture. So these two 9744 is included of all these two, which actually belongs to the debenture holder. Okay, now this is interest expenses charge. Number 3, I'm doing the entry per entry. I will not lump it up together. Unless you understand, you can always lump it up together. Now for the interest expenses that is being paid by the company, we have already calculated that it is 600k, and the double entry is you're going to debit this debenture reducing from the interest charge. This is being paid, and credit to bank because we are paying. It will come out from the bank. Okay, so this is interest expense paid, and finally the finance cost will be closed and will be transferred to shopper. So this is considered as your expenses. Alright, now for this question they only required they gave you at the big they give you the information at the beginning of the period as the uh, in terms of the debenture only, so there's no other like bank account or other related. So if you look at the preparation of soft P, we got to do only the non-current liability, which is a 6% debenture. So in terms of the RM, how you're going to get 9144? Okay, you can show your workings here, plus and minus, and also you can refer to the accounts here, whereby this is the amount is being issued in its first place, interest charge and interest paid. So left with 9144. So this is a software figure. If the question needs you to prepare bank account in SoftP, so this is the balance for the bank. Okay, so that's about it. I'm also giving you the soft copy in form of PDF for this Go Green, and you can refer it later. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.